What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kayla and okay, drywall dust already. Today's gonna be a long day. Here is my office currently. If you guys remember, I used to have a desk right here. I used to face this way. I used to have a picture on this wall. This is still all the same, minus like this stuff right here. This stuff is all the same. I'm actually just gonna redo it all. I'm gonna take this down, get a desk up here, and this space is gonna look amazing. I'm starting a new job. It's working from home, so this space is gonna be transformed and it's gonna be fantastic. And the dogs are going insane right now. The first task that we got to do for this room is mud all the walls. So after we take all the furniture out, we have to fill in all the holes so that we can sand them down and then repaint. We just finished doing our first little mud. Then we are going to sand. We bought this cool sanding tool that is on a long pole so you can get up really high and not have to exert as much energy. All right, this is day 2 of fixing up my home office. So today's just going to be about finishing the paint. I'm gonna try and put my desk together. Last night we actually went to HomeSense because I wanted to check out a rug for the space, and then we ended up not getting a rug at all for the space. We got some more furniture I wanna show you guys, and it's also a blizzard outside. It was spring outside, all the snow was melted, and now it's just a winter wonderland. This is the cabinet that we ended up getting because it fits all of our bleach, fabric softener, laundry detergent, all that jazz in there right next to our laundry room. So it works out nice. And it's super cute, just not cute when you have to take it home in the back of your truck when it's a blizzard outside. Next up, I'm taping around the floor and around the windows and sockets so that we can start painting. What we didn't know about the paint was that the inside of our house had been painted in like a showroom, kind of grayish white color. And so I didn't know it at the time when we were painting that it was going to be such a drastic difference. So we ended up putting on a coat of paint and then realizing that we kind of had to get more and then we had to circle back and do a few more coats. All right, what I thought was going to happen, happened. We ran out of paint. Devin said that we had enough and we didn't. And so I'm running to Home Depot right now to get some more paint to finish up this job because the 2 whites that we have, the one on the wall is a little bit darker than the one that we have. So we got to do a second coat. So
6 hours later.
Back from Home Depot now. Devin is in the process of putting tape on the ceiling because I did get it on the ceiling a little bit. And we got 2 new jugs of paint. So we're going to just do another layer and see how it turns out. And then hopefully I'll be able to put together my desk. Our house looks very messy right now. Looks like a full-fledged disaster in here. But here's Finn. Hi, babe. All right, we are done painting. It took us like 2.5 coats. It took us so long. So now we're gonna take off all the green tape and then hopefully be able to put some of my furniture together. Like, damn, this room is so white. It looks so good. It's so much better than what it used to look like. I'm in love with it. You guys love it too? You love it too? I also picked up this piece from HomeSense. I'm gonna use it to put in front of the window so that the dogs can't get outside and bark. They did tear up this ledge here and I want to prevent that as much as possible, especially if I'm gonna be working in this space. They get a little rowdy sometimes. Just some tricks for you. I got this desk from Costco. It was on sale. Usually you can find them for about $400 to $600, way more than $600 in some cases, but Costco was selling this one for $349. It was such a steal. I've always wanted a standing desk. Okay, this desk is so cute. A little control as I press that one. Okay, never mind. Okay, press height 2 and it like, dang. Okay, next up was putting the curtains back up. If you remember, the old curtains that I had in this room were yellow, and this window faces onto a main street, so it's important that we put the curtains back up so nobody can see into our house, but I'm definitely gonna switch them up to a different color. Got a new rug. Super cute. Diamonds in gray. It's like an off-white color. I'm gonna put it right there. Ready? Is this soft rug, bub? All right, it has been a minute since I started to work on my office. My sister got COVID, went into isolation for 2 weeks, and then I decided to paint our entire house white instead of actually working on putting my office together. So I'm gonna show you the rest of the pieces to finish my office. I'm gonna put some stuff together. This is the light that's currently in the office. It's very boring. I'm gonna switch this light out to a new fixture and Devin's gonna install it for me. Let's go. I found this light fixture on Amazon for about 150 bucks, and it just really adds to the space. I just got a really basic office storage unit. It's called an Alex from IKEA, and really wanted to help out unpack the box here. He's super cute. This just came for me, and I think it's my office chair. Guys, I am so excited to show you what my office looks like. I feel like when I did my office for the first time, I wasn't really sure what my style was. I wasn't really using my office for anything. When I edit videos, I like to just like do it on the couch or just at the counter in our kitchen. So without further ado, let me show you this office. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more updates, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!